Advantage HR Services is kicking off the HR Traction program. We are so excited to help employers and HR practitioners refine their focus in 2020 with a comprehensive plan that strengthens HR and management teams. We invite you to join us, and you will learn to simplify processes within HR management. Delegate tasks for effective streamlining. Source options that help predict HR capital needs. Create systems that work for your specific business. And design structure for the process. Planning for HR success is so vital in becoming a strategic partner within your organization. Join us for this live workshop and get some traction in 2020. Seats are limited, so get yours today. Simply go online to advantagehrservices.net, click the events page, and sign up. We hope to see you there.